So I'm making Christmas decor today, and what things I need, the things that you're going to need for the tutorial. Well, I got this from a store in Aleshinore, and one goes for, well, they sold it for 400 naira, but I actually bought it at 300 naira because I was buying a lot. Okay, then you're going to need the Christmas balls. You're going to need those, and I just love this red bowl. It's really easy and simple. You can actually make it yourself, but if you don't want to make it yourself, a pack of it goes for 700 naira, and there are about 10 inside a pack. And this, remember where I got this from? From a cane maker, and I paid 300 naira to have this done. So now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to get your glue gun, get it on, and get it heated. Ensure that it's heated enough. So my glue is heated up properly, and I'm going to start here. Just pick a spot and put a bit of glue. Now if you're using glue gun, remember that glue gun sticks real fast, so you have to move real fast. Okay, I'm just going to smear it around like that because I want it to anchor the beginning like that. Turn off your glue gun and take the end of your rope like that and just hold it down. Ensure it's staying perfectly well on it. And you know, the beautiful part of this is that when I priced this wreath in the market, I was told that this particular size, it wasn't even as big as this, it was 4,000 naira. But guess what, we can make this with less than 4,000 naira. All I've spent here is 300 plus 300, 600. Then I got 5 of this. No, actually, I got 6 of this at 1,000, and I'm only going to be using 2 of this on this ball. I'm going to use the rest for another craft. And then I got about 10 of this. I think it's more than 10. I think it's about 15 of this actually. 15 of this at 700 naira, and the wreath at 300 naira. Do the math. It's not even close to 3,000 naira. Okay. So you can decide that, you know what, I want the full thing, which is what I'm going to be doing in the course of this video. And so repeat the process. Just apply a bit of glue. Oh, my glue gun has been off since. But for this course, I'm going to want to leave a bit here. I'm going to want to leave like a little bit of gap, I think, because I like the fact that the wood is showing. I like the wood here. Another option that you can go for is the full thing, where you're going to do this. Just weave around the whole length of the ring. Here I want to have a bit of space here, so this is the third design, which is what I'm going to be doing. So guys, I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't recording. But what I did was to glue this. I just glued this to the top and this under it. Yes, and then I added a bit of extra ornaments here and there. So that's basically all I did. Thank you for watching.